Today, I'm stoked to unravel the mystery behind the best and top 5 cordless drill driver kits of the year. Picture this. You're about to embark on a DIY adventure or tackle those lingering home projects. The right tool can make all the difference, right? We've crunched the numbers, surfed the reviews, and cherry-picked the cream of the crop. These cordless wonders aren't just tools, they're game changers, blending power, versatility, and innovation. Stay tuned, 'cause we're about to unveil the heavy hitters of 2024. DeWalt 20 volts max cordless drill driver kit. Hey there, tool enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the exciting world of cordless drill driver kits and uncover the best ones that rocked the scene this year. So, hang tight and gear up for the lowdown on the top 5 game changers in the cordless tool universe. Kicking off our list is the DeWalt 20 volts max cordless drill driver kit, known for its compact design and formidable 1/2-inch power. This tool, rocking the DeWalt yellow vibe, brings a whole new level of convenience to your DIY adventures. Imagine a tool that's not tethered by cords. It's battery operated, giving you the freedom to roam wherever your project takes you. Now, let's talk versatility. The DCD771C2 is a powerhouse disguised in a compact frame, making it the perfect companion for those tight spots and tricky corners. Need to hang a shelf? No problem. This drill driver combo is your trusty sidekick, effortlessly conquering any task at hand. Picture this. You're in the middle of a project, and the last thing you need is a hefty, cumbersome tool slowing you down. Enter the DeWalt Yellow Marvel, lightweight, maneuverable, and ready to tackle anything. It's like having a superhero in your toolbox, always at your beck and call. But hold on, we've just scratched the surface. Stay tuned as we unravel the other contenders in our lineup, each one vying for the title of the best cordless drill driver kit of the year. From power to portability, we've got the inside scoop on the tools that will elevate your DIY game. Keep that excitement building, folks, the best is yet to come. Avid Power 20 volts max, cordless, drill and driver. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Let's dive into the world of power tools and discover why the Avid Power 20 volts max cordless drill and driver is making waves as the best cordless drill driver kit of the year. Picture this. You've got a weekend project lined up, and you need a reliable companion to power through it effortlessly. That's where the Avid Power 20 volts max steps in. With its cordless design, you can kiss those pesky cords goodbye and enjoy unparalleled freedom while tackling your tasks. The key to its prowess lies in the powerful combination of the drill and driver functionalities. Need to drill through tough surfaces? No problem. Want to effortlessly switch to driving screws? This kit has you covered. It's like having two tools in one, making it a versatile powerhouse for any DIYer. The 20 volts max battery ensures you have ample power to keep going without interruptions. Say goodbye to constantly recharging and hello to a seamless workflow. The Avid Power Drill and Driver combo doesn't just get the job done, it gets it done efficiently. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this kit caters to both newbies and seasoned DIYers alike. The cordless freedom, coupled with its ergonomic design, makes it a joy to use. No more wrestling with cords or uncomfortable grips, just pure, unadulterated drilling and driving pleasure. So, if you're on the hunt for the ultimate cordless drill driver kit that's the talk of the town this year, look no further than the Avid Power 20 volts max. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for your DIY adventures. Workpro Pink 20 volts, lithium-ion, searching for the best cordless drill driver kit? Look no further. The Workpro Pink 20 volts lithium-ion drill driver set tops the charts, not just for its power but also for its thoughtful design. This kit, a perfect gift for men and women alike, is not your run-of-the-mill tool, it's a dyer's dream come true. Picture this. You're tackling a home project, and your trusty pink drill driver is in hand. The 20 volts lithium-ion battery ensures it's ready for action whenever you are. Whether you're a husband working on a weekend project or a friend lending a helping hand, this kit is a game changer. What sets it apart is the attention to detail. The pink ribbon not only adds a touch of style but also signifies support for a cause. It's more than just a tool, it's a statement. Imagine gifting this to a loved one. The Workpro Pink drill driver set is more than a tool, it's an experience. Now, let's talk versatility. This kit isn't just for the garage, it's a companion for every DIY adventure. The lithium-ion technology ensures long-lasting power, making it an ideal choice for various tasks. From simple fixes around the house to more intricate projects, this drill driver set has you covered. As we explore the top 5 cordless drill driver kits of the year, Workpro's Pink 20 volts lithium-ion drill driver set stands out, not just for its functionality, but for its personality. It's more than a tool, it's a statement of style and support, making it the best gift for men, women, husbands, friends, and DIY enthusiasts. Black & Decker 20 volts max, cordless, drill, driver. So, let's dive into the world of DIY warriors, where having the right tools can make all the difference. Picture this. You're on a mission to find the best cordless drill driver kit of the year, and the Black & Decker 20 volts max is stealing the spotlight. This tool is a game-changer, combining power and portability in a sleek package. The 20 volts max, with its cordless freedom, becomes your trusty sidekick for any project. Whether you're assembling furniture or tackling home repairs, this drill driver has your back. Its LED work light is like your project's personal spotlight, illuminating the way with precision. No more fumbling around in the dark, you're the master of your DIY domain. But wait, there's more. This kit doesn't just stop at drilling and driving. It's a multitasking marvel, effortlessly switching between tasks like a pro. The cordless convenience is a game-changer, letting you roam freely without being tethered to an outlet. Imagine the possibilities. From crafting a custom bookshelf to hanging up those picture frames, the 20 volts max turns every project into a breeze. And here's the kicker, the attention to detail. Black & Decker knows what you need, and they've packed it all into this kit. From the power-packed drill driver to the handy LED work light, it's a winning combination that's got DIY enthusiasts across the nation buzzing. So, if you're on the hunt for the best cordless drill driver kit of the year, the Black & Decker 20 volts max is your go-to gadget. It's not just a tool, it's a game-changer for your DIY adventures. Bielmeier 20 volts max cordless drill set. If you're on the hunt for the best cordless drill driver kit of the year, let me introduce you to the Bielmeier 20 volts max cordless drill set. This power-packed drill kit is a game-changer, designed to take your DIY projects to a whole new level. The keyless chuck feature makes swapping bits a breeze, ensuring you can tackle any task with ease and precision. What sets the Bielmeier kit apart is its powerful drill machine, ready to handle whatever you throw its way. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting in the DIY game, this drill kit is a must-have. The 20 volts max power ensures you never run out of juice mid-project, giving you the freedom to roam without being tethered to a power outlet. The Bielmeier kit is not just about raw power, it's about the thoughtful details that make your life easier. The keyless chuck is a small but impactful feature, allowing for quick bit changes without the hassle of dealing with a cumbersome chuck key. It's all about efficiency and getting the job done without unnecessary fuss. Imagine the satisfaction of completing your projects effortlessly, thanks to the precision and reliability of the Bielmeier 20 volts max cordless drill set. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or tackling more ambitious projects, this kit has got your back. Say goodbye to the struggles of traditional drills and say hello to a new era of cordless convenience and power. The Bielmeier 20 volts max cordless drill set is not just a tool, it's a game-changer for your DIY endeavors.